Hey guys, I'm Sebastian with 4Runner Lifestyle, and today we're installing AlphaRex headlights on our 6th Gen 4Runner. Now, these are pre-order items and are not yet available, so I got a little excited and I prematurely ripped them out of the box. I apologize. All right, so let's finish the rest of this unboxing. Just like AlphaRex, we have a blacked out, sleek looking design. I'm stoked for what these are gonna look like on the 4Runner. Okay guys, this is not an install video. This will be a product showcase of these new AlphaRex headlights on our 6th Gen 4Runner. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's up to you guys. All right. The headlights want to go on a trip. They say these OEM headlights are nowhere near as bright or as good as they are, and they want to prove it. So after we get our baseline comparison here in our warehouse, we're gonna head down south, hit some real trails, and give it a real trail test. So I'm gonna go grab a helper. We're gonna get these thrown on really quick. See you guys when we get them done. Okay, it's about 7 in the morning. We have our headlights installed. We're gonna go head down south to test them out. Let's go. Still down here in southern Utah testing out these headlights, and we're going to show you just how they compare to OEM headlights. So our Tacoma has the OEM headlights and we have the updated headlights. The Tacoma and the 4Runner share the same headlights from the factory, but our 4Runner here, as you know, has the upgraded headlights, and then our Tacoma is still on stock.
You win. Perfect. You